Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure brand-wise monthly sales report based on quantity and net value. To begin, go to the Reports and Queries section, and under Sales Registers, open the Sales Register Cross-tab report. Click on Configuration to create a new report and define a suitable configuration name. Then, navigate to Report Options and under Report Consolidation, enable the Period and Item column option. From the Item Consolidation options list, tick the Company option and move it to the top using arrow keys. In the Report Totals section, enable the Grand Total option to display overall totals. Adjust the report order by moving item to top using the arrow keys. Additionally, you can also apply period-wise total. If the period chosen is monthly, then month-wise total will be displayed in the report. Next, under Transaction Options, enable the setting to view transaction details and tick the option to display them by quantity. After that, go to the Other Options tab, select the columns as option, choose period, and set it to monthly to generate a month-wise report. Once these selections are made, save the configuration. From the available list of report configurations, select the one you just created and click Create. By default, all columns will be displayed, so to customize, open Setup Column Attributes. First, unselect all columns and then select only the required ones such as company name, total quantity, net amount, etc. Make sure to enable the columns field by searching for it in the search bar and tick to add it. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys. Finally, save the settings and refresh the report by pressing F2. Now, you can see that the report displays month-wise consolidated sales for each brand, showing clearly how much quantity of particular brand was sold in every month. If you want to view the net value instead of quantity, simply open the configuration, go to the transaction type settings, untick the total quantity option, and enable the net sale value option. Save the configuration and refresh report. This way, the report will provide month-wise net sales value for each brand.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.